Good morning. If you are new to collecting assignments online, one of the nice features in Canvas as far as collecting assignments is that you can use the speed grader. So we're going to use this course as a sample. We're going to go to the Assignments tab. And when you have your assignments show up, you want to scroll to the appropriate one. Alright, so you can come into the assignment and you'll go to Speed Grader, and when you click on Speed Grader it will bring up any submitted assignments, which you can then scroll through. So you'll see these are uploaded photos of assignments. Now you might have noticed that this one is sideways, so you can just simply click it and be able to look at that homework. You also might notice that there are two images here. So this is probably the second page of that assignment. So right over here, submitted files, and you can see the first and second part of that assignment. This tool also has some different features. So you can highlight, you can write comments, you can type, and you also can draw on the assignment. So if you actually wanted to write, you could do that too. You can put a box around things if you want and leave a comment about something specific. You can put a grade in if you're using the auto sync to Canvas gradebook. You can also add a comment for the student if you want. The submit button here is only for the comments. So if you had a video you wanted to add, or you wanted to record a video, you can click on this button here. And this is a speech recognition, and then if you want to add a file to the assignment. But I think you'll find the Speed Grader is a great way to collect work that is handwritten, or is a video, or some other type of media. So just know that rather than downloading assignments, you want to just grade them in the Speed Grader. I hope this helps.